Good morning to all my students. Take out your new Radiant Reader Class 8 book. Today I will start the second chapter. The name of the chapter is Penguins at Play. So the author of this piece was one of the party who went with Captain Scott to the Antarctic. So he went to Antarctic. Though he was not among the ill-fated band who went with Scott to the South Pole. He went to South Pole and perished in 1912. Here he describes some of the habits of penguins, those strange birds, inhabitants of the polar region. He described the habit of penguins. With the approach of summer, the sea ice broke away in patches, leaving open water along the shore of the rockery. Large companies of penguins now went down to bathe and to swim under the surface. When the ice broke, then the penguins in large company came down and to take bath and swim under the surface, catching the little shrimps which swarmed there. These were their food. So they catch the shrimps and these were their foods. The ice foot was about 5 feet above the water. So the ice was 5 feet above the water, so that they had to dive in. I soon noticed that they never dived in alone, but waited patiently until a little crowd had gathered. So they don't dive in alone. So they wait patiently and a little crowd gathered there. So this was because a fierce kind of seal called a sea leopard often hide in the water under the overhanging ledge of the ice, waiting to catch the penguins when they dived in. So there was a seal also. The name of the seal was sea leopard, who hide in the water, okay, to catch the penguins when they dived in. Each penguin wanted to find out if the coast was clear before it entered the water. So those behind tried to push one of those in front over the edge. When they succeeded in doing this, they all craned their necks to see if the penguins they had pushed it was attacked by a sea leopard. So when they push, they see that this penguin is attacked by the sea leopard or not. If he was not attacked, all the rest dived in. If the penguin who they have pushed, the sea leopard has not attacked, then the other also dived in and started to swim about catching shrimps. And if a sea leopard shoot out and caught him, the others just stared where they were, or tried again at another place. So if the penguins which they have pushed, if the penguin that they have pushed is attacked by the sea leopard, so the other don't dive in the water. Soon the water was alive with crowds of penguins swimming about and shouting at one another like boys at school treat. So large penguins gather and they are swimming also, and they are shouting also like the boys. The water swam with them and all full of the joy of life. So they are getting joy also here. So before closing the video, I would like to give you homework. Your homework will be, you will write the question answer of this chapter 2, Penguins at Play. First question, what did the penguins feed on? Penguins feed on catching the little shrimps which swarmed there. These were their food. Why did the penguins not dive at once into the water? Penguins not dived at once into the water because a fierce kind of seal called sea leopard often hide in the water under the overhanging ledge of the ice, waiting to catch the penguins when they dived in. And last question, how did they find out that the water was safe? They find out as those behind tried to push one of those in front over the edge. When they succeeded in doing this, they all craned their necks to see if the penguins they pushed in was attacked by a sea leopard, and if he was not attacked, all the rest dived in. So this question answer you will write in your literature copy. This is your homework. Okay, that's all.